My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new adware type application called IntelligenceLabs. IntelligenceLabs is the adware that actually belongs to the adload family. And this adware mainly attacks Mac computers. It attacks Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. Mainly Safari, by the way, is being under the attack. So once installed, this adware called IntelligenceLabs starts to display the tremendous portion of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. If it was installed into your Mac computer somewhere or another, you of course need to get rid of it. So check your available applications. If you find this IntelligenceLabs, right click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend you to research your system with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use a Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.